I am not a doctor, but play one on TV. So are some others pushing supplements, or they are doctors very well paid by the supplement manufacturer. Balance of Nature agreed to a $9.95 million settlement to resolve false advertising claims. The lawsuit alleged they misrepresented health benefits, claiming supplements could replace whole produce. This follows a November 2023 federal court injunction that temporarily halted sales due to manufacturing violations. If you bought these products between March 2019 and October 2025, you may be eligible for a refund. Claim forms must be submitted by March 11, 2026. For further information, go to www.80insights.com.